Hello guys, in this video we will be creating project on gas leakage using MQ2 sensor. It can detect LPG, smoke, alcohol, propane, hydrogen, methane, etc. So firstly we will be creating a project. Name your project name here. Gas leakage detection. As you can see, the project is loaded. So firstly we have to take an on interval node. Set the time interval for 2 seconds. As the output of the MQ2 sensor is a analog, so we will be using analog read. Change its pin configuration by clicking on pencil icon. So select pin number 35. Add. Done. And the output of the analog read will be a digital value. So it's done. And we are displaying the gas detection on a LCD screen. So we will be using now an LCD clear. Change its configuration. The SCL pin is 19 and the SDA pin is 22. Add. Done. So on LCD screen we have to print the digital value, the output of the analog read. So LCD print. So just copy paste the output. And then we can also set a condition. If the gas is detected or not, we can display it on LCD screen. So use if node for that. So if the digital value is less than 100, so we will be having two conditions. If it is less than 100 or greater than 100. If it is less than 100, it means there is no gas. So we will be printing gas is not detected. Write the text in a double inverted comma as it is a string. Gas not detected. Then else, if the condition is not true, then it will be in a else condition. So print that gas is detected. Yeah. Add a delay. Of 1.5 seconds. As we can see then, what is the output? Delay 1.5 seconds. As you can see, the flow is connected. Then save and then verify your flow. And then upload. As you can see, it is successfully uploaded. So now let's check the output.